Hey everybody, my name is Josh with Dara Holsters, and today I'm going to be going over my kit that I use and some of my storage solutions that I also use for all my stuff. So the next thing I'll go to is my belt. So this is a core belt. We sell these on our website, the core battle belt. I really like this. It has the micro adjustability and it's a two-piece belt. So I have the inner belt that goes to my belt loops on my pants, and then this one velcros to that belt. So I can adjust it, I can take it off, take it and put it on and everything. It works really well. So going from the buckle clockwise as I'm looking down to the right here, this is a Winkler Dagger. So it's a very nice dagger. I like this a lot. It's only really got one purpose. Most of you know what it is. So Winkler Dagger. After that I have our Dara DBL2 belt attachment with the ALQD system and a leg strap. And then what the ALQD system accepts is our 3-point mount, which mounts to any of our holsters. And the holster is a multicam level 2 holster for my AXG, and then the ALQD just slips right into our ALQD receiver. I'll come back to the pistol, but going around the belt, continuing around the belt, I've got a Leatherman Multi-Tool. There's nothing special there. I've had that for quite a while. Back around here I have the Blue Force Gear IFAK and a tourniquet carrier with tourniquet in it. I also have the Sharpie that goes in for marking the time. And then around this side I have the Flatline Fiberco dump pouch. I really like this one because it mounts behind a magazine or something else on your belt. I like that it doesn't take up any extra real estate on my belt. Also, if you're seeing this is our auto retention rifle mag carrier. This is still a prototype. This is not a finalized design yet. We're working on bringing these to market soon. We've still got some things to tweak on it to make it absolutely perfect, so you guys will get the best version of this. These are all mounted on quick loops as well. So going around, continuing around the belt, I've got our auto retention mag carriers. I usually only run 2 mag carriers. If I'm at a match that requires 3, I've got extras in my box. All I have to do is clip it onto the belt, move these around a little bit, and I'm ready to go. That completes the belt.